morning, welcome to HKS Bulletins. I am Isha reporting to you from HKS Papoli. Marathon of 5 kilometers was organized on National Sports Day. On the occasion of National Sports Day, Hare Krishna International School organized a marathon of 5 kilometers for students on 29th of August 2023 on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand to pay him a tribute. The key focus of marathon was on the well-being of youth and building their connection with sports. Everyone ran with their might and love for their hero, Major Dhyan Chand, and spreading the message of Healthy India, Fit India. The chief guest, Sub-Inspector Mr. Mukesh, guest of honor Sarpanch of Admi Mr. Dalbir Ranga, the chairman Mr. Subhash Verma, the director Mrs. Push Thakur, the principal Mrs. Sudesh Sharma, along with the teachers also joined the marathon to support the cause. The parents and students of HKS came together in large numbers for the marathon, supported this noble cause, saluting the spirits, health and sportsmanship. Marathon was aimed to achieve good health of the students as healthy people make a healthy nation. HKIS celebrated Lord Krishna's birthday with fervor and zeal. To seek the blessings of Lord Krishna, Janmashtami was celebrated at HKIS on 5th of September 2023 with mirth and joy to celebrate the extraordinary bond between children and the Almighty. HKIS took the opportunity to jubilate with and learn with young minds. The students dressed up as Lord Krishna and Radha, complete with flutes, peacock feathers and matkas. The premises was decorated beautifully and the spirit of festivity was enhanced with dance depicting the life history of Lord Krishna. The purpose of flamboyant celebration was to inculcate value of sharing and respect in the students. Teachers' Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. HKIS celebrated the Teachers' Day on 5th of September with great enthusiasm. The whole program was organized by the students of class 9 and 11. The principal, Mrs. Sudesh Sharma, presided over the function. She put a garland on the photograph of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to pay him homage. Then the principal congratulated the teachers and acknowledged the sincere efforts they put in every day. She gave a valuable speech on Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and explained the importance of Teachers' Day. Students perform cultural activities like dance, songs, poems, dramas, etc. on this special occasion. They also arranged some fun games for the teachers to entertain them. All the teachers enjoyed and appreciated the program. To know about the students' performance and scope of improvement, half-yearly examination was conducted smoothly. To let the students and teachers know about their performance and scope of improvement, half-yearly examination was conducted peacefully. It commenced on 12th of September and ended on 27th of September. Ganesh Chaturthi was celebrated with great zeal and zest. People believe that Lord Ganesha, the symbol of wisdom, bestows his presence on the earth during this festival and removes their obstacles. With such belief, HKIS organized various activities on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. The sole purpose of the celebration was to let the students stay rooted with Indian cultures and to enable them to understand the significance of this festival. The speaker in her address highlighted that the true essence of Ganesh Chaturthi lies in the fact that the devotees worship Ganesh to rid their lives of all the sins and substitute them with knowledge and wisdom. For proper nourishment and progress of students, PTM was conducted peacefully. A PTM for classes nursery to 12th was held on 30th of September 2023 in school premises. The agenda was to discuss the performance of students with the parents and recently conducted midterm assessment. It was a great interaction between the teachers and parents for the children where they discussed both the strengths and the area of improvements. The progress report was handed to the parents and their suggestions were noted. The PTM came to an end with the conclusion that the joint efforts, mutual understandings and cooperation of parents and teachers is very important for the proper development or progress of the students. The day turned out to be a great accomplishment which will lead to more effective and fruitful meetings in the upcoming months. Thank you.